Chocolate chips tart, one of the amazing tart you can ever do. As you see, Nutella is melting, looks so sexy. You can present it in your restaurant for your guest. You can see even after cold, Nutella is still melting. Let's do the best chocolate chips tart you will ever make. In beginning, I need ring 22 centimeter, and then I pour one Nutella jar. It's almost 400 gram. As you see, I try to make it all same level. Then I keep it in the freezer. I shake it to take the bubble out. Then I keep in the freezer at least 3 hours or 4 hours before I use it. 220 gram butter, 90 gram sugar, 90 gram brown sugar, but I have no this day sugar, so I put all the quantity of white sugar. Here 320 gram flour, 5 gram baking soda, half cup chocolate chips like 70 gram, 2 eggs in the side with vanilla. So it's so easy recipe. Butter and sugar. You can use normal sugar. You don't need to use icing sugar. You mix it well till be soft. If you have KitchenAid or RoboCup, you can do it. Very important, it must be creamy as you see. When it becomes creamy, I added the eggs, mix it with the vanilla, but the best way to do it, 50%, 90 gram white sugar, 90 gram brown sugar. This is the best way to keep moist all the time. Here we go. 320 gram flour, 5 gram baking soda, not baking powder, and half cup chocolate chips like 70 gram. I mix all together to have cookie dough. I mix very slowly to emulsify all the things together to get nice wet dough. And here we go. You have a cookie dough, which is so delicious. You can use it direct as a cookie dough. You can use ice cream scoop and make it as cookie dough or chocolate chips dough. But what I'm doing, I spread the dough on 2 pieces. So I make sure I have 2 layers between the cake. I cut 2 centimeter around, so the cake will be 20 centimeter. So I added the bottom dough. Make sure you have like 2 centimeter shell around, so it keep Nutella inside, not melted outside. You can see almost 2 centimeter high. Make sure you have bottom mold. Here we go. I bring Nutella from freezer. It takes almost 3 hours to set and to be strong. It's depending about the freezer. Then I keep the other layer of the cookie dough and I cover it. Make sure the dough all same level and Nutella disc exactly in the middle. You can use a spatula, you can use any nice shape to give the level the same. So we can do a little bit of chocolate chips on top to make more good looking. In the same time, I have reheat my oven 10 minutes before I use it. Then I bake exactly 200 degree for 15 minutes. Then you have the most delicious chocolate chips tart you will ever make. Please, if you like the video, make share, make subscribe, leave a comment below.